Hi, in this video I'll tell you how to solve the equation using the quadratic formula. So this is our quadratic equation, but this is not in the standard form. So we'll convert this equation into the standard form, which is written here, ax squared plus bx plus c. So what we have to do is we have to bring 2x and 1 to the left hand side. So let's subtract both sides of the equation by 2x first. So we'll subtract both sides of the equation by 2x. So these two cancel out each other. On the left hand side we have x squared minus 2x, and on the right hand side we have negative 1. Now we can add 1 on both the sides to bring 1 on the left hand side. So we're gonna add 1 on both the sides. So this will be 0, and we have x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now let's write our quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is x is equal to negative b plus and minus under root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now, what are the values of a, b, and c? So since this equation is in the standard form, let's identify what are a, b, and c. So a is the coefficient of x squared, so a is positive 1. B is the coefficient of x, so b is negative 2. And then c is the constant value, so c is positive 1, so we'll write here 1. Now let's plug in the values of a, b, and c, and this is the quadratic formula. So we have x is equal to negative b, so we'll write negative sign, and then we have b. So b is negative 2, so we have to write this in parentheses since we have two signs together. I don't want to confuse you. Then we have plus and minus square root b squared. So b squared is negative 2 square. So we'll write this minus 4 times a is 1. So we'll write 1 here, and then c is also 1. So we'll just plug in the values. And then we have over 2 times, what is our a? A is 1. So we'll just plug in 1 here. Now we have x is equal to negative times negative 2 will be positive 2. It's just like negative 1 times negative 2. So that will be positive 2. Then we have plus and minus under root. Negative 2 square will be negative 2 times negative 2 will be positive 4. Then we have the minus sign. 4 times 1 will be 4, and 4 times 1 will again be 4. So this will be 4. And then we have 2 times 1 will be 2. Now x is equal to 2 plus and minus 4 minus 4 will be 0, and the square root of 0 will be 0. And then we have 2 at the bottom. So x is equal to 2 plus and minus 0 will be, well, 2 plus 0 will also 2, and 2 minus 0 will also be 2. So 2, this will stay 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So the solution to this equation is x is equal to 1. So there's only one solution to this equation, x equals 1.